Hey guys, I've actually gone far today, but I was trying to share a little what I've learned today from my programming. If you don't mind, you could just join me.
Items of the list can be sorted, rearranged, replaced and removed. You can perform tasks on each item of the list together at once. There are a few activities that we do daily, such as brushing, bathing, eating breakfast and more. These activities follow similar set of sequence and are repeatedly performed in similar ways.
Similar instruction: brush teeth, get dressed, do homework. There are few activities that we do daily, such as brushing, bathing, eating breakfast, and more. These activities involve similar sets of sequence and are repeatedly performed in similar ways.
Ever wondered if we could get them done in just one step? Unfortunately, real life doesn't allow us a shortcut. But hey, computer world does. We are about to find out how.
So now the question is, can you find out tasks that are repeatedly and follow similar steps? Traveling to a new places, taking a bath, drawing a new painting. Who is the question? Traveling to a new places like you pack your bag, you get the location, then you move. Take a bath, take off your clothes. Should I say take your bath or should I choose traveling to a new place? Okay, draw a new painting. Wrong. Pooh. Traveling to new places. Wrong. Maybe taking a bath is correct. Oh, you got it. Taking a bath could be a routine and come up every day, but other parts of action may vary a lot. Okay? Well programmed as well contain parts that are repeated many times. E.g., what happens when you copy and paste text? Store text in memory, paste the text, delete the text and save the file. Oh, store the text in memory and paste the text. Correct. Genius. Copy. For computer to bundle group an activity or set of instructions, we need to tell the computer what the procedure should be called and what it should do. Hey computer, remember as dash, remember this text and paste this letter text. Remember as copy and paste. Remember this letter. Correct.
Almost everything we tell the computer to do, such as even copy and paste, is actually a group of instructions which we also call predefined procedure.
Hey computer, create a list of inspirations. Add Maxwell, Bill Gates, and Steve J to my instruction. Sort my inspiration in alphabetical order. Display my instruction. So continue. Bill J. Wow.
Aha. You just made the computer create a list and sort it for you. Now let us make the computer remember sorting in alphabetical order and displaying it using stored group of instructions.
Hey computer, remember as sort and display. Sort my inspiration as alphabetical order. Hey computer, create a list of inspiration. Add to my Bill Gates, Steve J. My instruction sort and display my inspiration. Output. That is great.
Here you saw how you can define a sequence of steps and reuse it when required.
Create my inspiration. That is great. Now go for the
You may
question.
use procedures to remember steps and perform when required. Similarly, we use functions when we want to provide input to the procedures, display result from the procedures. In a nutshell, procedures perform a task, while functions produce a result.
What is the difference between procedure and function? Procedure can be called only once but not function. Procedure perform a task while function also return a value. Procedure make the program shorter while function make it longer. Okay, what's the difference between procedure and function? Procedure can be called only once but you perform a task. Should I go for this? Oh, correct. The only difference between procedure and function is that function produce a result. Really?
To summarize, group of similar instructions are written together and stored as procedures or functions. Procedures and functions are used to make the programs reusable and shorter. Functions can display the result while procedures can only carry out the tasks.
We are moving to avoiding mistakes.
Here's a good news for you. Computers don't make mistakes.
Really?
Here's a bad news for you. Humans like us can tell the computer what to do and cause mistakes. Imagine your bank program making a mistake and removing your account balance. Nightmare, isn't it?
Which one?
Hence, we are about to learn how to make computers avoid mistakes.
How?
Mistakes or bugs can cause a program to show unexpected results or sometimes make the computer stop working.
Really? Hey computer, remember 10 as my number. Repeat until my number is less than 9. Add 1 to my number, then display my number. Choose, then it will display 10. Not responding. Wow.
Because my underscore number will never be less than 9, the program will never display the output and get into an infinite loop.
Hey computer, wait, we have to still go through this. Hey computer, remember 10 as my number. Repeat until my number is less than 9. Who? Repeat until my number is less than 9. Add 1 to my number, then display my number. Really? You're only getting the computer confused. Debugging simply means finding out, correcting, and bugs. The bugs. It is an important part of programming. Can you spot the bugs in the programming? Hey computer, remember dog as my pet. Add cat to my pet. Display my pet. This was what studying this at number 1 or step 2. No bugs. Yes, bugs is display my pet. Yes, bug is dog as my pet. As my pet. Cat to my pet. Oh, I remember I also failed this when it was asked that this same question happened, and the answer was dog cat. While was dog with backspace cat. Okay, so now if I'm going to choose one now here, I'll say which one is the bug? Cat should be the bug. Yes, this bug is displayed. My bed. Should I go for dog? No. So there's no bug because it's the cat. If I'm going, who? Yeah. Oh wow. See, I'm really sorry at this because a value should be one word. So if it can't display anything here because this my pet was not carrying any, so the underscore the other my pet is carrying, so there's nothing to display. Yay, my pet missed underscore in the line 3. Yes. Okay, sometimes program have logical bugs so the program doesn't crash. but does not give the desired result. Can you find a bug in this program? Hey computer, remember 30 as my age. If my age is above 35, display my offer 35%. If my age is below 25, display your offer 25%. So yes, no check for age between 25. No, it's a bug free. Here there spiral error. Whew. Oh, wow. This is kind of confusing. Hey computer, remember 30 as my age. If my age is above 35, display your offer 35%. Yeah. If my age is below 35, display. Phew. Should I go for? Here's the spiral typo error. Check. Wrong. Actually, the bug for you. Who? But I don't understand how check a perfect. There should be a condition to check for all scenarios. Really? Hmm. When programming becomes longer and complex, their instruction becomes harder to read. How can we avoid mistake and understand it better? By encrypting the code. When program become longer and complex, their instruction become harder to read. How can we avoid mistake and understand it better? By encrypting the code, by providing comment to understand the code better, by removing lines of code to make it shorter. This or this, by encrypting the code, or let me go for this first. Yeah, of course, got it right. Comments and meaningful variable function, they make the code easier to debug and understand. Why should we carry a series of tests before releasing a program? Because might be critical bug in the program. Because testing is fun. Because while testing, we learn what the user feels. Yeah, should I say learn what the user feels? Wrong. Then we go for critical error. Yeah. Pooh. Really, I'm just the other one I just answer. I answer based on right now I'm a user. I'm not a programmer. Still learning, still coming up. I don't want to share out. I don't want to make it fun because of some past. As in, I've tried this much time, but I think making this fun will be the best way for me to learn this. When you press spacebar, the text moves to the next line. Which kind of bug? This might be syntax bug, logic bug, debugging. Syntax. Your syntax wrong. Who? You know what is fun? Can choose as long as you. But if I show, I say debugging. No, it's not debugging. Logic bug. Yes, it has a logical bug in the program. Basically, it's to be logical bug in this.
Mistakes in programs are called bugs.
Yeah, sure. Every mistake you make in programming called bugs.
Debugging is the process of finding bugs in a program.
Okay, removing the bugs, meaning debugging.
Bugs are usually logic or syntax based. Bugs can be avoided by commenting, using proper names, and testing the program.
I'm really not letting them now, but really the app is great. I know it's great. I'm still going back. Finish my program. Whoa.
So far we have learned computers are great if they are given correct instructions.
Okay. Then computers are great if they are given correct instruction.
However, there is a problem which we have not talked about.
What's the problem?
What could that be? Let's find out.
We haven't talked about what language do computers speak. Which of the following is true? Computer doesn't remember stuff. Computer doesn't understand our natural language. Computer can't repeat things. Which of the following is true? Computer doesn't understand our natural language. No, it does. It's just a computer can't repeat things. It's a lie. It repeats. Computer doesn't remember stuff. It does. Yeah. Right or false, the computer does understand only zeros and ones. Jeez. If computer doesn't understand the natural language we speak, then how do we get them to task for us? Programming language, precise instruction in English, programming language, which we have to learn. Which of the following do you think a computer programming language is? A computer aid between you and your computer, sort of alien language, language that program must speak, computer brain. Which of the following do you think computer programming language is? A communication aid between you and your computer. Should I go for this? It's correct. Okay. Me, my dialect. I'm speaking my dialect now. Actually, this is really well. My mother's tongue. Why you should blame me for that?
Wait a minute. Programming languages are not zeros and ones. But computers understand only zeros and ones.
Really?
How does a computer understand a programming language? This is where a compiler comes to the rescue.
Compiler.
Compiler converts programming language to zeros and ones which the computer understands.
Okay, matrix. Should I say? Which of the following tasks do you think a compiler does? Compile an aid to convert programming language into zero. I already heard of this. No, this should be like, but I don't want to go for this building logical for but based on what we just learned, I should go for this. Correct. What do we call instruction written in a program language? Source code, debugging, crash reporting comments. Source code. What do we call instruction written in a program language? Crash reporting comment. I think we should debugging. We already know what is debugging. Crash reporting we don't know. Source code I know. But comment wrong. Source code correct. Now, when source code is in the right order, it tells the computer what to do really. But now there are many programming languages used for different purposes. Let us try a simple and powerful programming language example Python. My name. So I'm to type my name here. So, run output Sanfredi. This is Python. Really, this is Python. Continue.
How about storing a list of items in Python?
Fruits, a pen. Apple, mango, orange.
That's how you would store and display a list in Python.
Really? Let us try making decision in Python. What will the code display? 50 mark 50. If mark less than 35, print you have failed, else print you have passed. Mark is equals to 50. I don't even understand this, but I will go for pass. You want to pass. Correct. Bill, sign check if the list placed on the right angle things you have passed is the answer. Nobody want to feel. Maybe we have learned a lot about programming. Let's conclude it with a final quiz. What's true about programming language? In end, compiler translate them into commercial language. In the end, compiler translate them into commercial language. Yes, it's true. Java is the only programming language. It's a lie. We use them because computers don't know natural language. They help us communicate with the computer. Yeah, correct. Perfect answer. You. Con-
Programming language is a communication aid between you and the computer. Compiler converts the programming language into zeros and ones which computer understands. Source code is the instructions written in a programming language. A variety of programming languages are used for various purposes.
I need to screenshot. This is really important. Then go forward.
You have now mastered programming fundamentals.
Really, I deserve an award for this. Really, I do. Yeah, I do. Then
But this is just the beginning of awesomeness.
who?
Now you are prepared to take more courses in programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, and much more. Write the code, change the world.
You have a time limit of 12 minutes to complete your test. Test will consist of 12 to 15 questions. On completion of the marks time, your test will end and show result. You cannot go back to previous question. If you quit switch up anytime between the day to end immediately, you will have to score above to clear the test. Your completion of test, you will see result immediately. So now this is the main part. I only choose only for I sign up for 20 minutes every day, but now I'm going above 20 minutes to take my test. So everybody just watch and see what I'm going to take. It's long I did this. Okay. What do computers use to store data? Boxes, programming variable. Boxes, programs, variables. It's wrong. Why? What are the variables? They are memory box with label. Computer use them to store data. They can change their value, all of the above. What are the computer not capable of doing? Complex calculation on a search engine. Think of its own. Think on its own. What are the computer not think on its own? It can't. How does the computer understand user command? Variable speech programming. Variable spiritual. None of them will programmatically, verbally, programmatically. We are going. Score 5. What do program consists of? Step of instruction. Theory to solve problems. Step of instruction. We are going. What is the difference between a procedure and function? Procedure can be called only once, but function cannot. Procedure perform the task while function also return a value. Procedure make the program shorter while the function make it longer. Procedure make perform the task while the function also return a value. Let me go for this. Correct. What operation can we perform off the list? Adding. What operation can we perform off the list? Removing, sorting, adding. All of the above. Yes. Even I feel the less concerned because I've already gotten over 70%. Procedure function make a program reusable, shorter, both A and B. None. Reusable, shorter. Oh, should I go for none? Let me just go for this. Correct. Hey. What help the computer take decision? Loops, variable, conditioner. None of the above. Variables helps the computer. Oh, jump, try again. What are the loops? Choose to store values. Choose to display value. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna take this. Whoosh. I only have to take a call. Choose to store values. Should I call Romeo? No. Choose to it. None of the above. Choose to store one labs. Choose to store values. All the above. Because I don't really know which of the following is not a step in solving a problem. Define a problem, break and analyze the problem, implement the solution, explain the problem to the computer. The solution. Right. Define a problem, break and analyze the problem, explain the problem to the explain the problem. I only failed three. Oh, program everywhere. What do you think about it? True, false? Programs are maybe true. Yes. 75. You score 9 out of 12. You have passed the test. Get your certificate. Now again, man. I want to see collection on the completion of your course. Electronic certificates are issued with the peer. We need your support in order to bring more certificates and source for you. It's time to continue. Really? So I have to go for pro. I'm not sure for no. I'm not. I don't really have the money now to go for the pro. You can if you just subscribe me later. I can go for the pro. Fundamental 100%. Really? This isn't the great today. Starting up today, I know I'm going forward because I early passed my test. This is just the fundamental. This is like, should I say, when you start from in nursery school, and this maybe next video we're gonna go into it deeper on the coding, then we'll see what we can do. But now I haven't subscribed. Maybe when you please subscribe. Maybe you can please subscribe. Maybe by then I'll be able to do more and go on subscribe to pro. Then I'll get my real certificates out, print it out, and I'll be happy to prove it to you. Oh, this is what I learned. I also learned all this. Oh, if I could subscribe this, imagine what I'm gonna be making every day. I finish this course. No, per year. So $5,000 per year here. Oh, that is really great. So now what I'm going to just do is just goodbye. I really don't want to say goodbye because I really enjoyed this video. Honestly, enjoying these days, learning is great. See, not see me as a dollar. Dumb man. I'm not dumb man. I'm actually branding. But now, things has changed. Now what is in my head is money, 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 money. I don't even know I could be able to do anything. But now I'm doing something great.